exceeded all my expectations. It's such a family-like vibe. You learn so much in each class.
I think if you want to improve your dance skills, there's no place better.
You hear about the atmosphere is really good, but once you're actually there, it's so much more intense.
What's amazing about Hip Hop Don't Stop, as someone who's come back many times, is that they keep, while a lot of the old favourites come back and you continue to work on your journey with those particular dance styles, those instructors, they bring new people in, and there's constantly new, inspiring, incredible instructors bringing new styles of dances.
Because it's such a good thing, you can't really put it into words, so you have to actually be there to know what it's like.
I've loved just having the chance to dance. That's it.
It's something you can't explain.
Hip Hop Don't Stop is the place where the hip hop, truly, they don't stop unless they're doing other amazing foundational dance styles.
I would say absolutely come. It's an amazing thing that's going to change your life.